What's up, guys? Check out this smartwatch. So what's really cool about it is you can make and answer phone calls on it as well as text messages. You can also use it to track your steps as a fitness watch. It keeps track of your heart rate, your steps all day long. And what's really cool is that it has a 1.9-inch HD large screen, which makes it really easy to see. So let's go ahead and just tap it so you can see the screen. And you could change the watch faces by just simply moving back and forth like this. And then you could see the different types of things. You could even add more. And you could even pull up the weather, the date, everything like that. It comes with a charger, a magnetic charger. So you just plug this into a USB port, and then you plug magnetic charge it to the back of the watch, which is really cool. It came with 2 wristbands, so this nice fancy one I have on right now, and then it also comes with this black one that's kind of similar to an Apple Watch. And then we can even make a phone call on it, so I'll do that right now to test it out. So we're just gonna click on our phone, and who should we call? What number? Typing it in right now. Hello? Yes, it works really good, so I could actually hear and talk through this. All right, check it out, guys. We're gonna use it to track our fitness right now when we go on a walk.